Today I'm going to show you how to reprogram your keyless entry code for a 2010 Ford F-150. If you're like me, you've searched YouTube, there haven't been any great videos, so I'm going to show you exactly how you do it from step one. So what you're going to want to do is remove your door trim piece here, like this. You just pull it up. You're going to remove the fuse panel cover right here. And then you're going to remove this kick panel right here. The next thing you're going to want to do is remove these two screws right here. They're about 7mm. You pull it out on the back, and you're going to find a sticker with a barcode on it with the letter D. And it's going to be kind of hard to show you, but you're going to want to take those top or those bottom left numbers. In my case, it's 44926. It's the first 5 on the bottom left. Then what you're going to want to do is come around to your driver's side door. Type in those numbers. In my case, 44926. Then you're going to want to press the 1-2 button. It's going to lock and unlock. Then you're going to want to put in your new code. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to press the 1-2 again. Open and close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.